Hello, sorry about that little brief wait there. Had to sort of just double check something quickly. Right, so when you saw before, we tried to separate the width and it just wasn't having it. It's pushing onto a new line. The thing we was missing was a float, basically. What a float does, it basically means whenever size the page is, it will float it or move it to the direction we give it. So if we want this column here to be to the left, we do float left within the style element, and for this next column, float right. So if I wanted one size to be bigger than the other, I could give that a 70 and 30. There you go. And what I will also do is text align center there. So that aligns that to the center of the page in relation to that. See if that does anything. Might not. So if we preview that now in our browser, save changes yet, should now keep two columns side by side, which it is doing, as you can see down here. And everything else is sort of scaling with it, except for the image, which is a fixed value we've given it there. But there are ways we can adjust that. So if we go back to our image tag here, and we give that a 60, if we give it a percentage value, it then should be in percentage to the page size. So if we go back to our browser, save our changes, give that a refresh. So as you see, if we scale our page down, the image is scaling in relation to the page size. This way you can keep your content sort of, the right size to how you want it to be in that sense. So that's a way of fixing that. Text Commander, open different class. Just to, if you want content after your columns, your two columns, I recommend putting it into another divider. So what I'd do is each section that you have on your web page, I would have it as a special dividing area. Think of these divides as boxes. So we have a box over this area, we have a box for our about or inspiration, we have a box for our image, we have a box for our website video. So if we box it up, then we can move those boxes in relation to each other using whips, floats, and positional relativity within the order that we've got here. I will put this code is going to all be available to you. You can refer back to these videos or email me if you have further questions. A good resource is W3 Schools. If you Google that tells you lots of code scripts and tutorials on how to do these things. And if you need further assistance, again, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much.